Hello, Tim, Gabriel, anyone else? We're just testing the custom shipping methods for GoCougs. When we were doing that, we noticed that it quit working on BYUstore.com. So we'll just show you what we were testing. We created a new shipping method called iPad ground shipping that will charge $13.99 for an iPad when an iPad's in the cart, when someone selects that shipping method. So we have a flat rate of $13.99. The only other configuration we have on this is set to countries is only the United States, which is what we have on some of our other shipping methods. So that's worked for us everywhere else. We then took and set that on the global discard list along with these two others, so that it doesn't show on any other products except when this is added to the custom record on the item record. So we have 3 items that we've set up. You see this shipping method, the custom ship methods on this Pro 10.5. We added overnight and second day along with iPad ground shipping to this iPad 6th gen, and the same thing, those 3 set up on the 12.9 iPad. So it's easy to, and these are those 3 items on the website. It's easy to find those 3 items for testing because they are the first 3 iPad results. These 3 that come up when you search iPad, so easy to find those. So I'll add the 10.5 to the cart, which is the one that was set up with only the iPad ground shipping as a custom method. So if I add this one to the cart, then I should see only that method when I check out. This tells me that it's not working, but let's just keep going. And so I see free FedEx ground. So that was the iPad Pro 10.5 inch. I'm just verifying that it was the same one. Here's the internal ID 744 and 744. So it's the same product. So it had just this on it, and now it only shows the default, which is FedEx ground, meaning it's not recognizing this new shipping method yet. I don't know if there's something in the scripts that run that has to sync that takes time to do. We did this about an hour ago. We created that, so it's still not showing. So these items are using the iPad plus 2 others that have been there a long time. I'm assuming that if I add any of those to the cart, that it'll show overnight and second day and not iPad, because the iPad is the new one. So this one, I add this 12.9 to the cart, and so yeah, this looks like it's going to show the 2 express shippings and not the iPad shipping, which is the new one. So I'm not sure if it just takes time. That's been our experience in the past. I thought that Gabriel had fixed that, but we're just not seeing the iPad shipping show up on this BYU store. For testing, we have all these products set to be purchasers allowed. And so, where's the purchasers allowed? Purchasers allowed campus store. Web store. So purchasers allowed on these items is only these customer categories. So you have to use a customer record. If you're using a test customer record, you have to make sure they have customer categories here set to one of those. So this one that I'm using is set to BYU Store Employee, which is one of those. So that's, otherwise you won't be able to add any of these to the cart. It won't let you, even if you add all the options, it won't let you unless you're using a customer record that has the categories set to one of those. So just remember that for your testing for all of our computer products, that is the case. So basically, that's been our experience with these three products. That the new item iPad shipping won't appear for any of them, and yet the other two do. These work as expected, so it just seems to be the brand new one that doesn't apply. So I'm not sure if it's just a timing thing. We just need to wait. We expected it would work, so we'll get back to you with further testing on Go Coug specific stuff. This is on BYUstore.com. So we'll get back to you with more. Thanks.